Tani.
Yeah.
And Shine. So what do we got here? Our air inflators.
Yes, here are our star models. I will introduce you one by one.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yes. So to make it easier, can you give us a brief introduction of the features of this product?
Yes, no problem. See here, model with a big LED screen, and it's for automatic model. Yes, you can just set the value, pressure value by these two buttons. This for minus, this for plus. Yeah,
so these blue buttons are for adjust the pressure, basically.
Yes.
Okay.
When you set pressure, just press start button. The machine will work and stop automatically.
Okay, nice. And I have a question. Is this keyboard waterproof?
Yes, of course. It's IP54, water resistance.
Okay.
Yes.
And
And we designed a sloped structure for better operating. Yeah, it's easy to operate for this sloped structure.
okay. And what is this button right here? The yellow button.
The yellow button, see here, it's used to transfer the bar and PSI.
Okay. Yes, and I think we got here a red alarm, right? What do we got here, Shine?
This is the alarm. I will show you something.
Okay.
You see the alarm? We know why this problem
Okay.
happened.
So right now we are not inflating any tire.
Because there is no tire in connect with the machine, so this will alarm.
So the machine will tell us, no, if there's any error.
Yes,
right?
that's right.
Okay. Well, seems pretty intelligent.
Yes.
And what else do we got, Shine? Because, well, we can see that these two models are quite different, but these two are quite the same, right? Can you tell us if there's any difference between these two?
Okay, can move
Yeah,
forward?
sure.
Yes. See here. The difference between this model, just the house. See this one with the house, 10-meter house. This model equipped with house wheel.
Okay.
Yeah. So the price will be different.
Of course,
Okay.
yes. Yeah.
Just this difference.
So we've been talking about these two. And how about this small guy? Does it have the same features of the other big ones?
Yeah, it has the same features, but this model is half automatic model. Yes. The operator,
Which means?
It means the operator needs to deflate the tail. Deflate by hand, the pressure by hand.
Okay.
Yes.
So basically, we're having a totally automatic inflator, and we're having a semi-automatic inflator where the inflation goes automatically and the deflation goes manually. Is that what you want to mean?
Yes, yes.
Okay,
right.
I understand. And what else, Shine? Are these the only products that we have?
I will show you something more.
Okay, so we're having other models apart from this one.
Yes, we have a big family.
Okay.
Yeah. See here. Okay. We have some more items for your choice.
Yeah.
If your workshop space is not big enough or your budget is not so high, you can choose the wall mount type. It will save the space and the cost.
So if I understand it right, the products have similar functions, but we got different designs for different environments, right?
Yes.
Okay.
That's true. Okay. And one more thing, we have another model. This one. Yeah.
Let me see.
It's the portable tire inflator.
Which is quite light, by the way.
It has the same function.
Uh-huh.
It's more convenient.
Yes, of course,
I will
portable.
show you. You can press this button to start. Because it's with a short pause, so it will save time to inflate the tire.
Uh-huh.
Yes.
Okay, so faster, right?
Yes. So you can have a lot of choice.
Uh-huh. Yeah. Very nice.
Okay. So, dear friend, here is about our inflator. Yes. Do you want, if you want to know more about our product, just contact with our customer service. Okay. Yes. And one more thing, the promotion is waiting. Please keep in mind that the promotion will be only opened during the Canton Fire on land.
Okay, yes. So
don't
limited
miss
time.
it. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
So